Hey guys, as you guys can see, I'm back in my kitchen. Guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my meals. I'm making fish today, just fish with some vegetables. I already have my Brussels sprouts roasted, but I season them with Mrs. Dash, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, and Italian seasoning. But I'm still going to do something else with them. That's not where they're gonna stay. I have some asparagus back here, and I have some mushrooms, oops, and of course red onions. So guys, I'm going to cut the onion. I'm going to cut the onion, and I'm going to put my fish, which I already got seasoned, in the oven. And then I'm gonna come back at you and show you what I'm going to do with the Brussels sprouts and the rest of my vegetables, and figure out what I'm going to make for my husband for a side dish for his meal. Anyway, guys, I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this is an open collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa, and Melissa from Buckeye Girls Wrist and Things. Guys, this is on Sundays at 7 p.m. And you could share a smoothie, a meal, a dessert. It's called Quick and Easy Meals. It used to be called Get Back on Track. But anyways, guys, let me continue. Bye. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So I didn't do a lot of Brussels sprout because my husband don't like him, and I like him, and I've been picking on him. But anyway, I have that. I got my onions and cilantro, my asparagus, and I'm using the big mushroom. They're used for stuffed mushroom, guys. Um, I mean, they come sliced, but also they come like this. I like this one better because the sliced one, they tend to go back quick, and at least I get at least a week out of the one like this. So what I just do, I just chop them up, guys. I'm going to be doing my stir fry with some olive oil. I will be adding garlic, and I will be adding my Brussels sprout, guys. A lot of people just roast them and eat them like that, but I season them before I roast them, and also I will add the garlic, and then when I plate it, hopefully, my husband gets here with the Parmesan. You could sprinkle Parmesan on the top, and you could eat it like that with your meal. So guys, I'm gonna finish here. The fish is in the oven. It has onions on it, of course. Guys, I love onions. I love vegetables, guys. I mean, you know what they say, you are what you eat. Even though you guys see that I do a lot of baking and stuff, but I also work out. I just, for this past month, I've been slacking on my dieting and my exercise, going back and forth to my son's house, but my sons live 35 minutes away. And it's hard, guys. Go in the morning and come back late in the evening, eating on the road. It's not healthy, guys. Not healthy. But anyways, let me get this ready. And once I start stir frying it with the I'm either going to use well, I have both. I have infused extra virgin olive oil, and then I use the Goya olive oil. Guys, make sure that when you use olive oil, it's actually 100% olive oil. Read the ingredients in the back because some of them are mixed with some type of different oil. So, anyways, I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, there is my stir fry going on. I'm also going to add wine. I have cooking wine and I also have drinking wine. This is drinking wine, so guys, I'm going to be adding a little bit of it. This is optional. So I already added the garlic. Oops. Sorry guys. Mushroom. That is looking good. Tasting good too. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Guys, I know a lot of you guys, honestly, I don't measure anything. I've been cooking for so long that you already know what to add in your meal. Okay, hold on. Turn it down a little bit. I forgot to buy peppers, but anyways, I hope you guys can see good, clear from over there. I added enough garlic. I love garlic. When it comes to garlic and onions in your meal, guys, it's so good for your cholesterol, to high blood pressure. You have high blood pressure. I mean, you name it, it is good for your body. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I'm looking at my fridge, see what else I can add. But I think that's going to be it. Um, like I said, I season it with Mrs. Dash. Yeah, guys, you could roast your Brussels sprouts, and then also you can do a stir fry with them. A lot of people have the like they're afraid to try new veggies. I don't think there have not been a vegetable that I have tried and I do not like. I no, I have tried every vegetable that I can think of. If you think about any vegetable that I should try, just put it in the um, comment section. But yeah, guys, let me bring you guys down. Maybe you guys can see the oven from there. There's the fish. It's cooking. So, all right, guys, I'm going to pause you and I'm going to come back with the plating of the meal. So, I shall return. All right, guys, our fish is done. Um, I made some small pieces. So, let's serve. Oh boy, I forgot to spray the pan. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Well, guys, this is what our meal looks like. This is my plate. It's topped with Parmesan cheese, my fish, my Hawaiian bread, and then this is my husband's plate, and he's going to accompany his fish and his bread with a nice salad. So guys, from my family to yours, I will say bon appetit. Bye bye guys.